that. Look at the lines. Exhaust. Absolutely beautiful. Hey, Kiwi Banana Wrangler. Wow, she got all aggressive, didn't she? The way I see it, if you're going to build a time machine into a car, why not do it with some style? What was that about? Oh, she didn't want me videoing her photos that she'd taken. Although it would have been good promotion for her. But, you know, never mind. Each to their own, right? God, look at these old things. The bullet. Not much in there. These are your pedals way up there. Look at these things. Get you that DeLorean. Look at all these pedal cars, they're so cool. I bet you most of them are like this now too. This one's got its own gas station. Beer time, yeah. That's cute. I like the tractor too. It's a beer o'clock.